Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever dreamt of diving into the world of AI and data science? Well, your future starts now with the Gen AI Data Science Internship program. This isn't just another course, it's a unique, comprehensive internship program designed by the experts at CraftingBrain and partnered with Inikola. Imagine mastering AI and data science while working on real-world projects, learning from the best, and all with a 100% job placement guarantee. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking job placement starting by the end of the second month. Let's dive into what makes this program a game changer. First up, hands-on projects. You'll be solving industry-relevant challenges, working with real data sets, and building a portfolio that'll wow any employer. It's all about proving your skills where it matters most in real job scenarios. Next, meet your mentor, Aman Kasaudhan. Aman is a seasoned data scientist with tons of experience in AI, machine learning, and data analysis. His personalized mentorship will ensure you not only learn, but truly understand and apply complex concepts with ease. And here's the kicker: 100% placement assurance. By the end of the second month, you could be stepping into your first role in the industry. Our team will support you every step of the way with interview prep, portfolio building guidance, and ongoing career assistance. Not to mention, you'll earn a minimum stipend of Rs10 000 per month. Because we believe in rewarding your hard work and dedication throughout the program. Plus, you'll get an internship experience letter from Inikola to boost your resume and stand out in the job market. Let's talk curriculum. The program is structured into 6 comprehensive modules. From Python, mathematics, and statistics foundations to machine learning essentials, you'll build a rock-solid base in data science. You'll dive into databases and cloud computing, deep learning, and natural language processing. We even cover cutting-edge AI models like transformers and GPT, and wrap it all up with MLOps and model deployment. This curriculum is designed to make you job-ready from day one. And who's this program for? It's ideal for graduates, engineers, and tech enthusiasts ready to break into the AI and data science world. All you need is a basic familiarity with Python and a commitment to learning. Whether you're a beginner or a career changer, this program is accessible and packed with value. Ready to get started? Enroll now, limited spots are available. Join the Gen AI Data Science Internship program today and take the first step toward an in-demand career in AI and data science. Click the link below to secure your spot and start your journey. Your future in tech is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the program.